I am again vlogging. It's freezing outside. Good start. George has already been sick. He wanted to come with us. He was moaning, so we were like, yeah, cool, we'll take him with us. And then he was sick in Sam's van, so not ideal. So we are hello. So we are going to be just working quickly a little bit on my drift car. I just need to continue sanding little boring bits down, like around the handles, just the little detailed bits, and then we'll go over it with a sander, because we're going to be putting the body kit on and changing the colour ready before the next drift day, which we haven't booked yet, so we've still got time, but I did want to get it done before the next drift day. But yeah, this is just going to be a little quick vlog, just showing you what we're doing on our weekends, just chilling. Boo! We got a little boo-boo here. Hello. What? And I've got a little daughter here. Are you feeling better now? Good boy. So this is the current state of the skyline. It is going somewhere. I'm not going to tell you where. It is going somewhere on the 4th of February. It's booked in to have a little bit of a change. Something a little bit different than I'm usually used to, but yeah, I just fancied it. So yeah, that's why it looks a bit sorry for itself at the moment, but changes are coming. It's a bit dirty as well because the roads are grim at the moment in the UK. And then this is the condition currently of my drift car. I've written a list of things I need to get and things I need to do, but again, we're just sort of sanding stuff down, getting it ready for painting and body kit. I'm not going to be here too long though, because I've got work in a bit. So yeah, I just thought I'd bring you along for a little vlog, and then we'll go from there. I'll also show you Sharron's class 2 as well. Panels are off.
Fucking second, you piece of shit.
Not you wait till it's done, it won't be a piece of shit. Beautiful.
Sharron's got me a drink. I'm very happy. But yeah, so that's the state of Sharron's class 2 at the moment. Engine's out, panels are off, and then it's gonna be just sort of all fresh, all brand new for next year's of racing, or this year's of racing, 23. So bright today. Oh yeah, Chris's car in the background. We had his funeral the other day on Wednesday, and his car was there. And it was honestly such a nice turnout. There were so many people. There must have been like over 200 people there. And it was just really touching. So just big thanks to everyone that came. It was really nice to see everyone's face basically. And just everyone paying their respects to him. Because he was a good man.
Big cup off a bacon sandwich. With loads of runny eggs.
Right, done, innit?
Sam's singing along. Sharron's been proactive and done loads.
Yeah, what's your head on that? Right.
Oh, an Allen kit.
Oh, let's go get diesel.
Ryan's turned up with all the drinks.
These ones, they don't go, you know, they'll scan it us for like ID, these don't do that.
Is it enough?
What, the relentless ones? Yeah. Oh,
That's
really?
weird.
Well, I found a loophole in the system. I found a loophole.
I've done half this already, Ryan. You'd be proud of me.
You said 17 pounds.
She's proud.
I thought you'd be proud of me.
I am. Can you get me a screwdriver, please? I'm not proud, I'll eat one of these.
What are you doing, Sam?
Yeah.
Not a fucking lot until I get a screwdriver.
No, you taking that box bit out.
Yeah.
Fair.
Taking the soup.
Ryan comes with snacks as well. Thank you. Thank you, Ryan.
Cheers me off for example. Something you need to know. If they're better, all these are better.
Get a junction behind there.
Whoa, fucking hell! Well, on first diagnosis, I'd say that is, fuck.
How dare you.
Track it away, start. Oh, I need a...
Easy for him to say thrown stack gauges. Which one? What one's that?
Yeah, but your nice stack gauge don't work.
That one works, doesn't it?
Sort of, it's sticky. It goes like, you're revving it.
I like the impression.
As long as I can see when it's on 7.
Well, it might be when it comes down actually, or when it goes up. There's like a sticky bit. As long as I can see when I'm on 7. Oh, right.
As long as I know when to put it into second, it'll be fine.
That didn't work.
The box is out.
Yeah. For sale. Box. Gauges can come with, but they don't work.
It looks good.
Yeah.
Is it completely rounded off? Oh, maybe not.
Only semi.
Yeah. Well, no, add loads of dirt in it so that it wouldn't go in all the way.
Oh.
I don't even know whether.
Oh. Go on, Sammy. We believe in you.
Random colour, like.
Yeah. But I think the majority of it is meant to be red and blue, but there is a lot of other stuff
Red, blue,
going
black,
on.
white, yellow, green. What's the intention? Orange.
Oh, catch it.
Whoa!
I see you might build it platform.
I can hope so.
You can do that. Well, it,
Show me, Sharon.
the loom.
Oh.
That's alright.
Quality.
Bit toasty.
Quality, that
My
is.
car's built.
I like good fire.
Under the tape.
What's this one?
Be warm.
That handle
The
thing.
clutch thing I thought would be.
It will be.
That's why we took it off there.
Here's Sammy. Help. Very small.
Oh.
Really mad.
That's right, mate, right?
Ryan's stronger.
Told you. Nothing.
Ryan's fucking half.
Why did you tape it there?
I can't remember what side went on what.
Probably stop it rubbing.
Probably.
They're all got to go black anyway.
Now it's starting to look really empty. It's so cold.
I want mine.
Huh?
I wouldn't do that. That's straight, mate.
Pass reinforced. You use the thickest fucking metal you could possibly think of.
Come on now, look at these bad boys.
Do you want me to take these front ones off or not?
Front what?
They're like hidden. That's right. Okay, fix.
Anyway, I'm going to leave the vlog there because I am freezing. My camera's nearly died and I've got work. This is how I'm having to be at the moment because it's so cold. But yeah, see you all again soon. Bye.